Have you ever heard that international politics is chaotic because there is no world government? This idea is called anarchy, and many traditional theories, especially realism, say that because there is no higher authority, states must rely on themselves to survive. This creates a world of competition, fear, and constant power struggles. But Alexander Wendt offers a different perspective. He argues that international politics is not only shaped by power and material forces, but also by ideas and shared meanings. States do not just react to the system, they help create what that system means. This is why he says anarchy is what states make of it. Anarchy simply means there is no central authority, but it does not tell us whether states will act as enemies, rivals, or friends. That depends on how they see each other. For example, imagine two countries that both have nuclear weapons. Is that situation dangerous? It depends on their relationship. If they see each other as enemies, it is very dangerous. But if they see each other as friends, it is not seen as a threat. The key difference is not the weapons, but the ideas and expectations between them. Wendt explains this with 3 types of anarchy. In a Hobbesian system, states are enemies and fear dominates. In a Lockean system, states are rivals who compete but still respect each other's existence. In a Kantian system, states are friends who trust each other and cooperate. The important point is that anarchy stays the same, but its meaning changes. This happens through interaction over time, as states learn from each other and build expectations. These expectations shape their identities and interests. This means states are not naturally aggressive or selfish. Their behavior depends on relationships. If states expect conflict, they create conflict. If they expect cooperation, they can build cooperation. Over time, this can change the system itself. This is why Wendt believes international politics is not fixed and can evolve. In simple terms, the world is not just what it is what states believe it is. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.